all be sorted out soon, I promise. Hey. Come on out! You coward! We gonna talk about what you done to my wife! You're a dead man!
So much for the new weapon!
Hey! Who the devil are you?
Far as you're concerned, I am the devil. Now get out of here.
But this cad!
I said get out of here.
This is an outrage.
Don't quite know why I did that.
Because barbarity is boring, no?
It kept me amused some years.
You must go, my friend, before the gendarmerie arrive.
Hey, you gonna do right by this feller's wife?
You have done right by her. The little bird is free. I am an artist, cowboy. I must do what I feel. Look, I have an exhibit at the gallery. You come, see what I mean.
We have to change suppliers again. But people keep getting run out of business by the Whisper Gang.
I don't know right now. Like I said, I'm sorry. I'm doing everything I can.